Hi, I'm Brian Pelkey, President of K Manufacturing. We're a drivetrain supplier to the automotive market. We offer precision machining services on a production basis of turning, milling, drilling, induction hardening, grinding, and other metal cutting operations. We supply drivetrain components to General Motors, Ford, Nissan, VW, Audi, and many others on a second-tier basis. K Manufacturing is located in Calumet City, Illinois, and we have a second facility located in St. Joseph, Michigan. We have approximately 115 people in our Calumet City facility and about 25 to 30 people in our St. Joseph facility, which is growing. We are 24 hours a day, about 6 days a week. We have 15 work cells here in Calumet City and 6 and growing in St. Joseph, Michigan. We started investing in automation back in 1996 and have been investing ever since. This automation has allowed us to remain and become more competitive than our competitors in low-cost countries. We're able to do more with less labor. We've never replaced anybody with our automation. It's just allowed us to grow significantly over the years. The automation helps us not only be more productive, but it greatly improves our quality of our product. We're able to do all sorts of things from machine tending with it, to packaging, to checking our components with the automation. And then finally, on the safety component, ergonomically, our facility is much safer. We've seen our workplace illnesses and injuries plummet from many a year down to, in some years, 0 a year. Our investment in automation has allowed us to go from what years ago was one person operating one machine to one person now runs anywhere from 6 to 10 to 15 machines at one time. So instead of being a machine operator, they're almost a troubleshooter where they monitor the entire cell and just are able to control the process instead of the process controlling them. 1386 is our most automated line here at K Manufacturing. We have approximately 10 robots on the line, which allows us to, for one operator, run the entire cell. There's so much equipment that's being run, but yet he's able to keep the entire cell running alone. And by using one operator per shift and all this automation, it allows us to produce and ship approximately 800,000 parts a year with one guy per shift. The GM Pinion Cell is probably the neatest cell that we have at K Manufacturing because it's got the most complex automation. While we have robotic arms tending to machine tools, there's a robotic arm at the end of the line that also inspects the part with a vision system to check for the presence of certain features on the part. Furthermore, it handles all the packaging, the incoming packaging, it unloads and it packs it and reloads it, stacks it, and sends it out of the line all on its own without being tended by any operators. This also allows us to achieve a little over 600,000 parts a year with one operator per shift. The PTU Cell is a really unique application at K Manufacturing because we have a robot doing a lot in that cell. The robot receives a part from the turning operation and then it loads automatic gauge. This automatic gauge measures the part and then the robot communicates back with the lathes so that the lathes can offset according to what the gauge checked. Then the robot is able to also load a broaching operation, dip the part in rust preventative, and then send it into an exit chute. So here the robot's doing a lot, all with just one robotic arm. This also allows us to produce about 425,000 parts a year with one operator per shift. The 6.2 liter end-piece cell is unique in that our automation we've really applied to the measurement system. The operator, what he does in this cell is he puts the piece part into the machine and it scans every feature of the part and prints out all the results. And that allows the operator to go about his business maintaining the rest of the cell. He can come back, check the results, and make those changes to the process if needed. By freeing up this operator to do other things, it allows us to do well over 300,000 parts a year with one operator per shift.